I just chopped and dropped that stuff as its own mulch. See that beautiful purple flower? That's attracting all kinds of beneficial insects. Our garden was suffering from all the mulch, lack of nitrogen, all the rain. It's doing much better now, thanks to the red stuff from the chicken processing, thanks to the mom's compost tea, but also now, thanks to some of this. Don't everybody come at once. Oh look, they like the flower. That's what they're going at first. You like beautiful food? I mean, they're not charging it like if I threw out a bunch of meat and fat. Oh look. This magical plant goes deep into the ground and mines up precious minerals, and it ends up in their leaves. For our garden, I'm gonna put the leaves around. This is a mulch, a nutrient-rich mulch. Okay, so it's like eating your vegetables, right? For the chickens, it's like eating their vegetables. They're not gonna attack it, but that will be gone by the end of the day. Let's see if the pigs like it. You see me coming? Are you guys ready for a move? You want to move in with the chickens? Whoa! Why do you guys always test the I've never seen an animal constantly get shocked themselves. Here, I got you a special treat. Eat your greens and then we'll give you the treat. There's a, come on, what else you got? What else you got? Whoa! Come on guys, don't let me down. I got some for you too, Violet. I got some for you too. What I'm gonna have to do is leave it on them. They're worse than chickens for eating their greens. Look, finally getting it. Come on guys. Okay fellas, I'm gonna leave you to that. Sometimes with kids you gotta say you gotta eat your food before you get the dessert. But we're gonna bring the dessert later when Josiah comes out and we'll see if that isn't gone. Come on, don't let me down now. Don't let me down. It's supposed to be the miracle plant for everybody on the farm. Cooper, you like to sleep outside? Hey, you'll like this. Come here. I got a special treat for you. The girls aren't letting you into their club. Here you go. There you go. Special comfort treat for you this morning. Come on, don't be too cool. Don't be too busy. I think she's too busy guarding the flock right now. And you guys have plenty of greens right now.
In my garden eating my tail.
Who is?
There's chickens.
Oh my, there's chickens out. All right, you want to get me some scissors? You want to go in the ergo? You won't be doing this much longer. That's awful quick to be getting out in this thing. That's awful quick. Ooh. Aha! Okay, lady, now look. You barely getting your wings back. But you're somehow making it. You're a determined lady. These feathers, by the way, are good for the garden. More mulch. Now, after you've clipped the chicken's wing, don't drop them too far in there. They can't fly. Oh, I left the fence off too. That doesn't help us. Try it now, Mustang. Come on, Laura. You're gonna go with us? You're gonna go with us? You're gonna go? Oh, you're excited? You're excited? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, boom. Come on. Come on. You house dog. Get away for a moment. Come on. Oh, here she comes. Oh, goody. Come on. Now, don't you come in here, though, okay? Don't you come in there. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on and hopefully not get shocked getting in there. Ready, Mr. Brown? It's gonna be a feat. Ready? Step on the net. Get over. Don't you come in. Don't come in. Laura, no. There you go. Good. Aw. Hate to see them learn like that, but they gotta learn. Hey. Good morning, Pooper. Good morning. She's looking at me with one. She got one eye on me. I got you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come here. No, no, no. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, really. We won't hurt you. You still got a little fuzz. Getting your feathers. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Oh, you didn't eat your greens. Okay, I give up on you, pooper. Here, you guys want some Comfrey? I highly doubt it with all these greens. Let's try it anyway. Here. Don't everybody rush. Don't let anybody hurt each other. Get into it. There's enough for everybody. Don't rush. I might bet money on the pigs eating that before we get back. The chickens though, lots of greens out here. They're probably getting a lot of nutrients that they would get from the Comfrey and some of this other stuff. But we'll see. Whoops, dropped my... Oh, okay. Hey, look what's working. Just 2 days ago, we put these little chicks in a poultry net and it's actually holding them back. I'm actually shocked. Here, you guys want some breakfast greens? There's some breakfast greens. I guess that's what happens when you do grass-based farming and your animals are getting much of what they need already from the land. Am I the Pied Piper right now? They're running after me. Bless their heart. Thank you guys for staying in. That means we can put the bigger ones where they're gonna go into the main flocks. And the little ones will keep doing this until we get up a coop for them, a mobile coop. Let's move their pasture poultry pen down a bit. Now everybody kind of clear out. I'm gonna drop this, okay? I don't want anybody to get crushed. Not even the ices are out this morning. Look how small. That means we have our net tight enough. That means our net is on hot enough. That means they're big enough to stay in. Good morning, Royal. Good morning, Caitlin.
Good morning.
You helping him?
Yeah.
Okay, is she helping you, Jonah?
He doesn't have to be snapped completely.
Well, he's putting you to work. All your brothers and sisters are run off. You the last one standing? Hey, Mr. Brown, you want to go do the sheep? Let's see if they like Comfrey.
No, it's so boring.
Okay, it's boring. Yeah, you know what? Homesteading is boring. It's just boring. It's not always exciting. Uh-oh, come here, bring me that chicken. Look at there. Another one out. Hopefully it's not the one I just curated. Hey, come here. There's somewhere they're getting out or something. Come here, you Miss Thing. Oh wow, this is the one. I believe it's the one I just clipped. Holy smokes. Where's she getting out, Josiah? Was your fence on?
Yeah.
Okay, set her in.
Stop it, Laurel.
Set her in. Here. No, it's okay. Let him.
You might try to bite.
If she tries to bite her, I'll push her away.
Okay, he's doing this.
She's looking at her. Is she getting out right there? I highly doubt it. That's our trench. Just turn me off for a second. Let's make this fence a little hotter. Get any mulch off of it. It's really in good shape. I don't see what the problem would be. Oh, look. This rose bush is all up on it. I believe the fence has fried that. What do you think? Josiah, do you have your fence tester? Okay, can you go get one? Turn it back on. Put it down on the lower one that it's on. One more down. Oh, Josiah. We cranked it up quite a bit, buddy. Almost 5. Ooh, 5. 5.3. Hey, you want to go with me to the lambs, see if they like Comfrey? How y'all doing this morning? Got a little bit more mowing to do in here. Well, maybe this evening. Look how they like right by the edge of that fence. Okay, I'm no Jonah. I'm no sheep whisperer. No? We'll see if that's gone by this afternoon.
They're coming now.
Not yet. They were waiting on you, I guess.
Is it off?
Yeah.
Good.
You want to go act like you fed on Comfrey? Save some for the cows, but...
Oh, that sounds like alfalfa bells probably then.
Oh, now they're interested. It says no.
Oh, I can't get a free from him.
You fishing for cats?
Yeah, look, this cat can dance.
She's going nuts. Okay, who's ready to milk?
Me.
Okay. Jody, you ever milked a cow before?
Never.
You ever had raw milk before?
Never.
Hey, you want some? You want some? At the rate everybody else is eating it, I doubt you're gonna eat it. Let's try it for Violet. They said cows like it more wilted, but let's see.
Where are we going with the teapot? Right here?
Put it on that blue bucket. The silver bucket on the blue bucket and the cooler on the ground. He's eating the Comfrey. Good for you. See if you like that. Comfrey. Jonah, get her the alfalfa.
What about putting a little DE in it to help maybe worm her?
You think so?
It can't hurt.
Okay. Have Jonah sprinkle some DE on it, or you do it. Oh, look.
Oh!
First shot.
Yeah! Oh, don't be shooting at me. How you gotta do this thing here now?
Here, I'll show you.
Just squeeze it?
Lily.
Whoa, whoa, not on my shoe, bro.
Just let your brother doing it since he was doing it.
Rebecca, how long have you known Jody?
Wait in line if you
Gosh,
want
we
to
were
go.
teenagers, early teenagers. Did we know each other when in like
Oh,
elementary?
look at this. I'm already got it
20 years?
down.
Actually, elementary school. I've known him as long as I've known Krista.
Okay.
We went to the
Jody.
same school together.
Did you ever imagine you'd be up in North Carolina milking a cow with Rebecca?
Well, actually, I'm the only one milking it. She's really not. So.
Little skinny old
Little short.
city
little
slicker Rebecca. Huh?
No. Never in a million years would I think Becca would be doing this.
I hope that the cow swats him in the face with her tail.
Daddy, how do you do it?
There you go, Kenzie. You squeeze at the top and you pull down. That's just how the city slickers do it.
I'm not doing it.
Oh look, he's
Come on,
pulling.
kid.
He's
Come
got
on.
Guys, show.
Step this out, I'm going to show her.
Whoa,
Oh,
bro,
Jonah.
whoa. I don't want any T-pop on my shoe, bro. Look at this guy.
Oh, he's going.
Bow, bow, bow,
Chicken's like, see you now.
Eat more chicken.
Do it, then I'm going to do it.
Aiden, get in here, bro.
I got a picture. I got
Oh, he's gonna get a picture to
If
prove it.
times get tough, we gotta get on the farm.
You gotta show your mall Chick-fil-A buddies to prove this. And you guys are nailing it. Whoa, half the bucket. The bucket will be halfway full.
You don't even come off the udder. You just grab that beast and there you go, Caitlin.
Oh, and she fits her little hand.
Oh, you got that whole hand on there. It's perfect.
Oh, she loves that. Krista, you've known Rebecca pretty much your whole life.
Yeah, since I think 4th grade.
Yeah, we were 9.
Best friends for life.
We were. We used to have birthday parties together.
And at those birthday parties, did you, in any of those moments, did you ever imagine Rebecca coming to visit Rebecca and
No.
milking this cow?
No.
What did you imagine for her?
Having kids.
A regular life in
Regular
a suburban neighborhood.
Kids?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, so you got the kids. How about 4 kids?
Not a farm. Farm was
Okay.
not on the.
Okay.
No, not on my
Not on the
radar.
radar.
No.
How do you know she's done milking?
You can't get any more.
Oh, okay.
Laurel, you want to get out of the way, honey? Come on. Come on. Get out of the way. Here, can you hold Laurel? I don't want her to get stepped on by the cow. You guys didn't eat it. Okay. It looks like the animals don't read the textbooks. They don't like the Comfrey. Okay. There you go. It's time. Well, it's overtime. This Comfrey has lost the it's overcrowded this pot. Let's plant it. All right, Kaden, you ready?
Yeah.
You got your spade?
Yep.
Okay, this is our food forest in the making. We have a walnut tree naturally by the creek. We'll have sub-canopy, that's the canopy layer, sub-canopy. And then the shrub layer, we've planted this elderberry bush. And a great addition to any food forest is comfrey for the herbaceous layer. We're gonna plant comfrey all around this, and we can take cuttings from it and use it as mulch here. It's a great benefit. It's gonna attract beneficial insects. We can cut and carry it. You can cut it 2 to 8 times a year. Is it a strawberry break?
Yeah.
I lost the kids in the strawberry
Yeah,
patch.
Kaden got a good one.
Caden's starting to warm up to the farm now.
Okay.
You hungry, Caden? That hit the spot?
Yeah, that's good.
How about I'll pop a hole in that for you and you can plant the plant. Let's just put it all around it. Here we go. All right, you want to hand me a plant? Let's see if it'll uproot without tearing. Wow, it's not gonna want to do that. Wow, look at that. It's already digging so deep. Look at that. Look at that. Incredible. Okay. There it is, Jonna. This is kind of our first intentional food forest. Right there. Comfrey. You gotta love it, at least for that. Natural walnut tree, walnuts coming in. By the creek, beautiful sound. This is gonna be a really nice place. And eventually guys, this is the plan. Food forest along this creek. And it'll integrate with, that'll be at the edge of it, the strawberries and the asparagus. And we'll have food forests here, all along the edge of the creek. It's gonna be nice. Does anybody know where the scissors are?
Caitlin had them. Caitlin!
That would be great. Here, catch that bird, Gideon. At least it's a different one. Come here, catch this bird. Birdman.
I don't know how.
This is more your type of farm animal?
What?
Oh, just already got it. Here, I'll let you clip their wings.
might know.
Hey,
Yeah, the wings are clipped.
what's the matter?
Justin?
Wait, no, hold her.
My sister might.
Wow.
My sister might know 'cause we're all friends.
Did you clip them?
Yeah. Kaden,
Shovels?
grab some of this.
Here, Mama.
Borrow Mama's shovel for a second. Just as beating you to it.
Well, pretty
It's almost like we need to put a rock there or something. Because we need to open that back up when it rains. Comfrey, Rebecca. I've been talking about comfrey this morning. Tried to feed it to the animals. They didn't go for it.
Okay.
Did feed it some to your plants. Is it edible?
Yeah.
For us?
Yeah.
Well, how would you prep it?
You can put
Because
it in
I
a
have
salad.
heard that maybe it's not so good for your kidneys.
Okay.
What do you have to say about that?
So with most of the things that the FDA says that about, it's because some person took it to an extreme and
Like ate it at all 3 meals.
or like just
Or only
consumed
comfrey.
ridiculous amounts of
Okay.
quantities. It's like that study that said kale was bad for you when you eat 90 pounds of it. No one's eating 90 pounds of kale.
Yep.
So it's like that. I think in small quantities it's fine. There's lots of people who eat it that
Yeah, we ate it on tour.
did?
Big Pond Farm. We
He
had it
eats
at
it.
salad.
she said he eats it every day.
Raw too? You
Mike
ate it raw?
eats it every day in a salad. I think in moderation it's okay.
Come on now. Fruit of your labor.
Wait, was this from today?
No. No. That's been chilled. What's it smell like?
Milk.
Okay. So far so good. First time raw milk. Like big whole milk.
Oh, feeling nauseous.
Oh, come on.
I feel my muscles getting tighter. Got that case of
Grow a
protein.
limb with the. You'll grow a limb with that stuff. Okay, pass the Jody test.
It tastes like regular milk.